Worry, it's a part and parcel of our day-to-day lives. And we worry about a lot of things, for a student, they worry that whether they will move on to the next class or not. For the parents, they worry that their child, whether that he or she will grow up to be a gentleman, to be a woman of God or not. We worry that we miss something out. You see, every one of us know what it is to worry. Every one of us know what it is to be fearful and anxious. And this is the reason why Jesus is teaching the subject of worriness even to his disciples. Seek first the kingdom. Seek first the kingdom. In other words, bow down before the King of Kings. Bow down before the Lord of Lords. Admit that God is sovereign over all things. Admit that God, He knows it all. And God knows us and calls us by name. And He hears us when we call. Amen? Do not fear, little flock. Jesus says to His disciples, if you listen to the words are so gentle, so calm. Looks at His disciples, He says, my little flock, do not fear. Oh, like a true shepherd. And He looks at us also. Jesus says, I know that you think that you cannot handle things. I know. Trust me, I know. But then again, Jesus confirms, says, hey, do not be afraid, little flock. For I have plans for you. I have plans for you. Oh, what a wonderful God we serve.